What I'm about to expose, please pay very close attention. And if I'm wrong, please tell me with evidence. I'm going to show you something investigative whistle blowing. Okay? Mossab is legit debating a UCLA activist who is pro-PAL, and he goes by the name of Doyle. I can't remember what his first name is. It's in the long version of this video. This is just a little clip. Well, someone brought across my feed some Factor meals. They were frozen meals. They are pre-packaged. You can order them and they can be delivered to your house. Now, I had to go double take. This very character, same haircut, same facial features, is in this commercial as a paid actor. Mossab is arguing with someone who is paid to be an actor. This guy is an actor, not just an activist. He's an actor. We're going to show you this video. Okay, so we gotta go through all the commercials, blah, 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 da-da-da-da, la, la, la.
I'm done spending an obscene amount of money on takeout every week. Done.
Okay, so I'm gonna put it on slow-mo. And I'm gonna rewind it, and then you're gonna see for yourself. Oh, who's that? Look at that. Oh, he's got big muscles.
I'm done spending an obscene amount of money on takeout every week. Done.
Interesting haircut, eh? We're gonna fast forward again. Same haircut.
I never run out of tasty, nutritious dinners.
Oh, there he is again.
Factor is over 40 different.
Okay, so we're gonna play it through normal speed.
I'm done spending an obscene amount of money on takeout every week. Done.
I'm getting back on track with Factor.
Fresh, never frozen meals at Erica Chef. This saves us so
So this
much
is an
time
ad for
choosing
frozen
our
meals.
I can get all the nutrition I need without having to obsess over it. I never run out of tasty, nutritious dinners thanks to Factor.
Factor is over 40 different dinner options.
It's like Protein Plus and Calorie Smart.
So I didn't play the whole video just so I wouldn't get marked as inappropriate. And I am advertising for Factor Meals. This is their video, which was posted 9 months ago. So it's a commercial, and it was played on YouTube. So it's fair play, and it's also public domain. So I'm not knocking the actual product itself. These meals actually look quite good. With that said, we're gonna go back and we're gonna go to my channel. So there's that, and then we're gonna go to this video.
You probably know Vistaprint for business cards, but did you know we print
Which
everything
is-
you need to get your brand in front of your fans? We print banners and
which is Mossab Hassan Youssef unleashes on UCLA activists. You are defending terrorists.
Definitely. Do you think you can sit
So
here and
there's
judge me
Mossab.
and tell me
When
what
you
you
say you're
did for
fighting,
money?
when you say you're fighting for Israel, would you say that you're advocating for them?
I told you I only represent myself.
So you're not fighting for Israel.
And
Who's
you
that
don't
guy?
have the authority to sit there and judge, tell me I took money or I did not take money.
No,
This is not your business.
No, you did take money. That's a fact. And
Who's that guy? Huh. Interesting. That guy. You can't mistake that haircut.
that's fine.
This is
You
not
took
your
money.
business,
You took
so-
money from Israel, and that's okay. You're a propagandist for Israel. That's just a fact, and it's the reality of the situation. But again, I don't know how many.
So, yeah. This guy is a paid actor. A paid actor who legit has done commercials, and he's being paid to come against people that speak the truth. You can't make this stuff up, folks. Goes by the name of Doyle. I seen the whole debate, and this guy drove me up the wall when I heard him open his mouth. Totally clueless. But now you know why he's totally clueless. He's being paid to be totally clueless. Yeah, you can't make this stuff up, folks.